Hey look, that's another $12,740 that just got deposited into my bank. It was all made online and I didn't even have to create any content, make a video, build a list, or do any selling. All I did was press activate on this brand new app, and every time I did, another payment would come in. Sometimes $319, sometimes $599. Three-figure payments every time, often adding up to over $1,800 in one day. But what's even cooler is we've given this same app to a bunch of beginners to test, and they're making great money as well, just by pressing the activate button. Complete beginners making hundreds, sometimes even thousands a day. This is real money, cash in the bank they can spend on anything they want. Nice dinners out, new cars, travel gifts, spa days. When you're making an extra 4 to 5 figures a month in just a few minutes of spare time, that's a whole new lifestyle. Could you use extra money like that? Would you like to know how we're all doing it? Well look, I know you're not stupid, you know money doesn't grow on trees or get handed out by unicorns. It actually takes 3 things to make great income online: traffic, a money-making offer, and a page to put that offer on. Sounds simple, but those 3 things take a lot of skill, experience, and money to get just right. In my years of running a 7-figure online business, I've only seen about 3% of people consistently figure it out. That's why we spent over $100,000 and 18 months to develop this system that automates everything for you. So the work of generating money is getting done, but by an app, not by you. There's groundbreaking technology inside that makes it happen, but as the end user, all you have to do is press the activate button to get paid. The Opal system is the world's first app to fully automate 3-figure commissions and traffic without you doing any selling at all. And if you're wondering, what about the technical stuff? It handles that too. It builds a done-for-you money page, automates powerful on-demand buyer traffic, and connects to a top-converting offer that sends you $319 to $599 payments like clockwork. Because it's all automated, there's no learning curve or stress. It just takes 3 easy steps to get going. Step 1 is to grab your Opal system license on the page below before the price goes up. Step 2 is to press the activate button. This initiates the automated Opal process and gets the traffic and payments flowing in as little as 57 seconds. Step 3, sit back and relax. Your work is done and Opal takes over, generating $599 commissions in the background, whether you're online or on holiday. It's that easy, and there's stacks of user proof below for you to check out. If you're thinking, this is going to be really expensive, normally you'd be right, but I've got great news. For what the Opal system does, automating 3-figure commissions, we could charge $297 a month and feel good about it. But hey, we realize that the people that need this the most may not have that kind of money lying around. So right now, you can get the complete Opal system for a one-time fee that's less than going to a movie. Not only that, when you act right now, you'll also get thousands of dollars of free bonuses to take your results to the next level. Fair warning though, this massive discount won't last long. To take advantage, you must grab your license right now. You also get our industry-leading, rock-solid 365-day money-back guarantee. And to prove how confident we are in the Opal system, we personally send you $300 if you try but don't make money with this. You win either way. In fact, the only way to lose would be to miss out on this and have to pay much more later. Oh, and one last thing, we're giving the first 150 customers our exclusive 4-figure per day blueprint as an extra free bonus. This is something we've only ever shared with private coaching clients before. It can literally double your results overnight. It has a real-world value of over $1,200 and is yours free if you're one of the first 150 new customers. So, don't delay another second. The life of your dreams is much closer than you think. Go below to claim your license, and we'll see you on the inside.